Hi, I'm Ed Davis, the president here at Sealume, and I want to introduce you to our Serenity Ceiling Tiles. Made from our very robust 30 thousandths thick Signature Series vinyl plastic, with Serenity in your ceiling, it's easy to stay calm and composed and serene. Class A fire rated, 100% recyclable, completely waterproof, Greenguard Gold Certified for indoor air quality, and made right here in the USA. Serenity is the whole peaceful package. Understated and easy to clean, Serenity's subtle design is perfect for any ceiling that needs to be dependable but not dominant. And they are great in hospitality and food service environments where mineral fiber will stress you out. No dust, no stains, no cracking, and no sweat when it comes to installation and maintenance. Serenity is available in 10 designer colors and finishes. And installation couldn't be easier. Just pop them into your standard 1-inch T-bar grid system. Most ceilings will have some less than full-size border sections. For those areas, use snips to cut your Serenity tiles to fit as needed. They also pair well with other styles where a simple border is desired. Serenity ceiling tiles work well with recessed lighting. Just be sure to choose a fixture that mounts to your ceiling grid. If you have any questions or would like to see a free sample, Serenity is only a phone call away. And remember, you belong under Sealume.